Good morning. We get a lot of phone calls about people remodeling their houses. They've decided to stay and are going to upgrade the kitchen or do whatever. And if you reach out to us beforehand, we can really help you save some money and possibly offer more options for you. With your water softener, if your house is not pre-plumbed for one, maybe now is a good time to have the plumbing run while some sheetrock work is being done. We can open up the walls and get into the plumbing and possibly pre-plumb for a water softener. If you're thinking about adding a reverse osmosis system, most of the time they fit in underneath the kitchen sink. Well, now maybe there's a time to run a line to the refrigerator, or if you have a wet bar area, or even just another location that you'd like another faucet for ultra pure water. When you're doing the remodeling work, it'd be a great time to plan ahead and run the lines for this so that when it's complete, we could come in and place the equipment for you. So just a couple of ideas. If you decide to stay and do some remodeling work, reach out to us. We can always help you, walk you through how it should be done and tips to save you some money. Thank you.